So we've wired up some new controls in this release. You'll see the C1 and C2 buttons can be used to zoom like they are in the regular DJI app. So this will zoom in. You'll notice that there's a crosshairs in the center so that you can see exactly where you're zooming towards. You can also now just double tap to zoom, and that'll both move the camera and zoom in. You can always tap this recenter at the end to zoom back out. You'll notice there's a primary flight display here. So this gives you all the heads-up info you need as a pilot. You're probably used to this from the DJI app. If you find it's getting in the way, you can always swipe it away. And you can get it back by pressing this magic button, which we'll get into in a second, and tapping primary flight display here to bring it back. Onto the magic button. So the intent with this button is to create a quick way for the pilot to get an overview of everything. So CalTopo map, RC battery, RC storage, Wi-Fi network that they're connected to, drone battery, drone storage, max altitude, RTH altitude, and then a bunch of quick things that you might want to turn on and off, like the navigation beacon. You can also get to this menu through quick actions here. We've also added a few new coordinate systems. So you can see all the systems here. MGRS, OS Grid for the UK. You can change coordinates that are displayed at the top by default by going to settings here, coordinate system. Say we want to show MGRS here. If we go back, we're now showing coordinates in MGRS format. We can also say we're in thermal. We can also change our thermal settings through this quick actions menu, camera settings. So we might want to change it to black hot or white hot. And we can change the thermal gain mode. There's also this button, which is now wired up the same way it is by default on DJI. So we can use it to level the gimbal up, bring it down to nadir, and adjust the exposure with left and right. So this will make it darker, and this will make the camera overexposed, going to the right. And we can always reset that by just tapping on it, pushing down on the center, and exposure resets to default.